everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be making some autumn inspired pieces, and I thought I would use the dirty pour technique. I've seen a few people ask about this recently, so I thought I'd show you how I do it. And yeah, other than that, let's just get straight into it. So this is the mould that I'm going to be using. It's really cool. I thought it'd be really good to use with some autumn colours. So I actually picked out 4 of these, which are from the Craft Resin Mica Powder range. If you'd like a discount, I will leave it in the comments below. But I've picked this beautiful orange colour, and then the yellow one, wine red. This one's one of my favourite ones. It's really well pigmented. And then I've got this bronze colour as well. To prep my mould, I'm just going to grab some Scotch tape, which you can find on Amazon, and I'm just going to pick up any like leftover pieces from my last project on there, just because I don't want it to show through on this new project. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera and mix up my resin. I will of course be using Craft Resin. Okay, so I have all my colours mixed up now. I'll just show you what they look like up close. This one is the orange. This one is the yellow. Then we have the wine red and the bronze as well. I'm going to actually do like the dirty pour technique, but what I'm going to do before I add all the colours into one cup is I'm going to just drop a drop of silicone oil, into each cup, and this just creates like cool little cells and stuff. You don't want to add more than 1 drop of silicone oil at any time, really, maybe 2, just because it can cause like a weird layer on your resin and you don't want to do that. So just be really careful when adding it. Just give them all a little bit of a stir, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour one colour into the other. When you're doing like a dirty pour technique like this, just make sure you don't over mix your colours together, otherwise they can go kind of like muddy, and you don't want that. And that's what the silicone oil helps with as well, because it creates kind of like a marbly effect without you having to really mix it, which is really cool. I'm also going to do like an autumnal bear as well, so I've mixed up more than I need. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm just going to take my stick and just do a couple of swirls, and that's it. I'm not going to mix it any further than that, because I really don't want to mix those colours up too much, but they're already looking absolutely gorgeous together. I'm really excited to see how it's going to turn out. Oh my gosh, I'm just so obsessed with that colour. It's so beautiful. Just going to use the rest on this bear mould. This will be more orangey because that's where all the orange was at the bottom, but that's okay. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Look how autumnal it looks. Okay, so it is set now. This is what this looks like, and then I've got the bear. I love demoulding so much. Can't wait to see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, the colours are so beautiful. So this is what it's looking like. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. And then I've got the bear. How cute is that? I feel like this really brought out the orange as it was the last bit of the resin. But oh my gosh, I think they look so cute together. Imagine some like imagine putting your keys or your trinkets on there during the autumn. Oh my god, I love it so much. So as you can see, there's lots of ridges on this leaf tray, so I thought what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in and use this paint marker. This is the one I use, I get it from Amazon, and I'm just going to add that detail in. I really think it's going to make it pop, so I'm just going to do that, and then it just brings out all those lovely colours. So this is what it looks like now with the gold. I'm actually obsessed. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos. Would love to see all your autumn creations, so make sure that you tag us on Instagram. And other than that, I will see you in the next video.